Hey guys, welcome back to Kara's Kitchen, and today on Cookmas Day 3, we are making cornbread dressing. Now I know Thanksgiving is over, but you still have Christmas and New Year's in case you still want to make some dressing. And let me know in the comments below, are you team gravy or team cranberry sauce? Let me know in the comments below. And before we get into the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's get into the video. So for my cornbread dressing, I'm using the Jiffy Cornbread mix, and I know a lot of people do not use this and because people think it's sweet, but it's not going to be sweet, I promise you. Once you season it up and add your chicken stock, it will not be sweet. So this part is self-explanatory. You just make your Jiffy mix to the box instructions, and you just pour it in your pans and bake it at 400 degrees until it's done. So after they come out the oven, you can wait a few minutes just so they can cool off, but I didn't, as you can see all the steam and stuff. But all you do is break that up, and we're going to start adding our ingredients. And as you can see, I had to bring out a fork to help me break this up because it was just too hot for my hands. Okay, so now that we got everything crumbled up, I am just pouring in a little bit of chicken stock just to get everything started. And my mom always put boiled eggs in our dressing, so that's what I do. So I'm just going to take my boiled egg and I'm just going to break that up into my dressing. So now we got our boiled eggs in there. Now we're gonna throw in our Trinity mix, which is our green pepper, onions, and celery. And I chopped this up myself with my new Ninja processor, and I'm so happy I have it. So makes things a lot easier, and it's a little cheaper than buying the already pre-cut Trinity mix. And if you don't have a food processor, I highly recommend you get one. That is a great investment. And this video is not sponsored, by the way. But anyways, I am pouring in some more chicken stock just to get everything well incorporated so it's not too hard to mix up. Then I'm going to go in with some seasoning. And make sure you guys add in some ground sage. That is key to dressing, okay? So now that we got our sage in there, we're gonna add in our onion and garlic powder, going in with some Tony's Creole seasoning, and I'm going in with a little bit more salt as well. And make sure you taste and season to your liking, okay? And I just keep adding chicken stock until I get a certain consistency. You don't want it too dry and you don't want it soupy. You just want it just right. So you just have to like play it by eye right here. So like I said earlier, you just want to taste it to make sure your seasoning is on point. And then after that, everything tastes fine. You can put it in your baking dish. And I sprinkle a little sage on top of it and let it bake in the oven for 400 degrees. And just watch it until it turns golden brown just like this. And that's it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content. And I will see you in my next video.